What if I can show you an easy and a simple method of factorizing a cubic polynomial as easy as ABC? So let's say you're given this cubic polynomial here, and they ask us to factorize it. Let's do that in a step-by-step method, guys. All right. Step one, what do? You are simply going to find the first bracket and then add the quad. Doing step one is very easy, and by now every student must know how to do this step. All right. So the first bracket will be x minus 2, and then you are going to add your quad, which is this one here. All right. Now let's move on to step 2. Okay, so in step 2, what we do is also simple. We are going to use a, b, d, and x1 to find big A, big B, and big C. All right. Now, where do we get A, B, and D from? Well, that's very easy. We get these three values from our original or our given cubic polynomial. All right. In this case, A will be 1. We've got 1 here. B is going to be -5, and D is going to be the last part here, which is 20. We don't need C, guys. We don't need C for factorizing. All right. So A will be equals to small a always. All right. So in this case, A will be 1, and B is going to be equals to small b minus x1. Okay. Now, what is x1? Guys, x1 is also simple. X1 is this value here. The value that you get from your bracket will be your x1. All right. Now, why do I call it x1? Well, that's because you get this value from your first bracket, and the first bracket is the one which gives you the first x value or the first x answer. All right. Hence, I call it x1. So in this case, b is going to be equals to small b is -5 minus x1 is -2. Remember to always use brackets whenever you are dealing with negative values. So if you if you simplify this, you get b is equals to -3, because -5 plus 2 gives us -3. That's b. We are done. And then c will always be equals to d over x1, which is equals to d is 20, x1 is -2, therefore c will be -10. Now you have the value of a, b, and c. You are done with step 2. Right. Let's move on to the last step, which is step 3. Step 3 is very simple. We are going to substitute the values of a, b, and c that we got here on step 2. Né? After that, we are going to factorize the quad. Okay, let's. And then just like that, you have your 3 brackets and you're done. You have factorize a cubic polynomial as simple and as easy as ABC. Right. Good day, everyone. My name is Courage Muzanani, and I am here to introduce to you guys APC Legends Tutoring. All right. Why do we call ourselves APC Legends? Well, that's simple. It's because we always use easy and simple step-by-step methods which make things as easy as ABC for our students. And in that process, then we produce legendary students. And well, our tutors are also legends of the game. We have been in this industry for more than 5 years now and still counting. Thank you very much for your time. Have a nice day and don't miss out on the next one. All right.